Are you tired of the same old boring dinners? Do you want to make delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 10 best crockpot recipes that will make dinner time a breeze. Crockpots, also known as slow cookers, are a busy person's best friend. All you have to do is toss in the ingredients, set it and forget it. And in a few hours, you have a delicious and nutritious meal waiting for you. So, let's get started with the top 10 best crockpot recipes. Number 1. Slow cooker beef stew. This classic dish is perfect for a chilly evening. Simply add beef, potatoes, carrots, and your favorite seasonings to the crockpot. Cook on low for 8 hours, and voila! A hearty and delicious stew. Number 2. Crockpot Chicken Fajitas. Spice things up with this flavorful recipe. Add chicken, peppers, onions, and fajita seasoning to the crockpot. Cook on high for 3 to 4 hours, and you'll have a restaurant-quality meal at home. Number 3. Slow cooker chili. Chili is a crowd pleaser, and this recipe won't disappoint. Add ground beef, kidney beans, diced tomatoes, and chili powder to the crockpot. Cook on low for 8 hours, and you'll have a delicious meal that will warm you up on a cold day. Number 4. Crockpot mac and cheese. Who doesn't love mac and cheese? This recipe takes it to the next level by making it in the crockpot. Add macaroni, cheese, milk, and butter to the crockpot. Cook on low for 2 to 3 hours, and you'll have a creamy and cheesy dish that everyone will love. Number 5. Slow cooker pulled pork. This recipe is perfect for a summer barbecue or a game day party. Add pork shoulder, barbecue sauce, and your favorite seasonings to the crockpot. Cook on low for 8 hours, and you'll have tender and flavorful pulled pork. Number 6. Crockpot lasagna. Yes, you can make lasagna in the crockpot. Layer lasagna noodles, meat sauce, and cheese in the crockpot. Cook on low for 4 to 6 hours, and you'll have a delicious and comforting meal. Number 7. Slow cooker chicken and dumplings. This recipe is a southern classic. Add chicken, vegetables, and broth to the crockpot. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, and then add dumplings. Cook for an additional 30 minutes, and you'll have a warm and comforting meal. Number 8. Crockpot beef and broccoli. Skip the takeout and make this dish at home. Add beef, broccoli, and a homemade sauce to the crockpot. Cook on high for 3 to 4 hours, and you'll have a delicious and healthy meal. Number 9. Slow cooker baked potatoes. This recipe is perfect for a busy weeknight. Simply wrap potatoes in foil and add them to the crockpot. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, and you'll have perfectly baked potatoes. Number 10. Crockpot chicken tortilla soup. This soup is packed with flavor and is perfect for a cold day. Add chicken, vegetables, and seasonings to the crockpot. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, and then add tortilla strips and cheese. Cook for an additional 15 minutes to melt the cheese and serve yourself a bowl of warm and comforting goodness. And there you have it, the top 10 best crockpot recipes that will revolutionize your dinner time. From stews to soups, and even cheesy mac and cheese, these recipes are not only easy to make but also incredibly delicious. So, why spend hours slaving away in the kitchen when you can let the crockpot do all the work for you? Try out these recipes and prepare to be amazed by the incredible flavors and aromas that will fill your home. If you found these crockpot recipes helpful and mouth-watering, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more amazing recipes and cooking tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!